What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm not here with the co-pilot Jax. He's at home staying warm and dry. But today we are coming to you live from Chavez Ravine in Los Angeles, California, USA, with another Dodger Stadium update. Tyler, the Creator's Camp Flog Gnaw was scheduled to happen last weekend, but it got flooded out. It is set up right now, so we're going to get up, see what it's all about, check out the layout, and it will be going down this weekend. While it's not my cup of tea, it could very well be the largest event that's taking place in old Frank McCourt's parking lot this entire off season. Speaking of parking lot, it looks like that gondola project might be dead in the water, but it's been hanging on by a thread for as long as it's been on the docket, so I'm sure we're going to see more information about that coming out in the coming months. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Thumbs up the video, give us a sub if you haven't already. All that goes a long ways in keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality November content. So without further ado, let's go and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.